Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on the same laptop. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing is, I want you to open up Chrome browser or whatever browser you have and type in WhatsApp on Google search. Once you do that, you get all the suggestions out here. Click on the first link. Once you do that, you're going to be directed to the official webpage for WhatsApp, whatsapp.com. Once here, click on Login button, and you're going to be directed to the web version for WhatsApp. Most of us already know that we can log into our WhatsApp account out here itself. So let me go ahead and open WhatsApp on my Android device and scan this code to log in. I click on Settings and then click on the icon I'll share to scan the code, and I am scanning this code to log in. So let me log in quickly. Click on Link a device, allow that or authorize that with your fingerprint, and it allows you to log into the web browser. Okay, so this is how you could normally log into your WhatsApp account on a web browser. In order for you to log into a second account, you could use another web browser to do so. For instance, if you have maybe Microsoft Edge, just type in WhatsApp, do a search for WhatsApp. Go ahead and pull up your second WhatsApp account. Click on this link out here, and then you get directed to this page. You are going to get a QR code to log in. Open the settings and you click on the QR code scan icon, and then you scan this to log in your account on WhatsApp in the second browser. You authorize this, and then it links to your account with the second browser. Since I have a phone that allows me to twin applications, I could use two different WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. If you have this feature, that's fantastic. But if you do not have this feature, you could use another phone to log into the second WhatsApp account. Now, as you can see, I'm using two different WhatsApp on same laptop. So that's basically how you can use two WhatsApp accounts on the same laptop. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.